Over my corporate career of more than 16 years, I have worked in many companies, large global corporations, mid-sized companies, and startups. In all these companies, I observed one common pattern. There are select few co-workers who move up the corporate ladder faster than others. Initially, I inferred that the reason they are able to move up faster is because they were luckier, closer to the management, and they had the support of the boss. However, later I realized after careful observation that there is more to it than just being closer to the management or having the support from boss. These individuals who are growing fast in the career, I observed that they are more vocal about their work. They are closer to the organization's goals as well as boss's goals. In other words, they are doing a better job than the rest in projecting their personal brand. So what is this personal brand and why is it important for success in career? First of all, I would like you to think about these 7 questions. By the way, these 7 questions are mentioned in my book, Iconic Career. It's recently been declared as Amazon #1 bestseller in its category. Question number 1. Are you not getting interview calls in spite of repeated job applications? Question number 2. Are you struggling to clear interviews and get the job? Question number 3. Are you not recognized enough for your work? Question number 4. Did you miss out on the next big role or promotion? Question number 5. Did you not get to work on the next big project? Question number 6. Are you not consulted frequently on matters related to work during team meetings? Question number 7. Are you not frequently involved in major decisions involving your work? Now, you have to think about these questions and answer yes or no. If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then it means that it is high time you realize that you have to stand out and differentiate yourself from competition. In other words, you have to build a strong personal brand. So what is the definition of personal brand? Again, let me refer my book. Here's the definition. A personal brand sends out a clear message about who you are, what you stand for, the values you embrace, and how you express those values. Secondly, personal branding is the conscious and intentional effort to create and influence public perception by positioning yourself as an authority in your micro niche, which is a specific area of expertise. So remember, personal branding means that you are making an intentional and conscious effort to position yourself as an authority. It doesn't come naturally. You have to make an effort. Just by doing great work, you will not be able to build your personal brand and authority. You will not be able to stand out. So why is personal branding important for success in career? Personal branding has 5 core benefits. Number 1, it helps you to build a competitive advantage. By building a strong personal brand, you are able to stand out from your competitors. You are able to project your unique value proposition, your unique skills and talents. As a result, you get noticed more often than others. It gives you a competitive advantage. Number 2, credibility. If you have a strong personal brand, then people trust you. People see you as an expert in your specific area, in your micro niche. They come to you for solution. Number 3, visibility. When you have a strong personal brand, you are visible everywhere. People recognize you for your work, for your expertise. They reach out to you. You are rewarded for your work. So you are essentially visible everywhere in the organization. Number 4, authority. Authority and personal branding go hand in hand. When you have a strong personal brand, it also means you have a strong authority in your micro niche, which means that you attract best opportunities for growth, opportunities to speak at events. People reach out to you. And number 5, marketability. If you have a strong personal brand, your overall marketability improves. You will be able to sell yourself better than others. As a result, you'll be able to attract the best of opportunities. It could be a job change, a next level career growth, a promotion, an overseas placement, etc. So personal branding helps you gain competitive advantage, establish credibility, create visibility, build authority, and improve your overall marketability. All of these are essential for your growth and success in your career. I hope this makes sense to you. I strongly encourage you to read my book, Iconic Career, where I've explained in detail how you can go about building your personal brand. I've shared strategies, principles, concepts, tools, and techniques on building your personal brand and standing out. I hope you found this video insightful. I will be sharing many more such videos in the future. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share your comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.